This is a flip through of brilliantly vivid color by number birds and butterflies, illustrated by F. Senazback. This has French flaps on the front and the back, which show all the pictures colored in. There are some introduction pages about the author, who is a rock painter, folk artist, and some coloring information plus the color key. This is for all the pages in the book, and is not perforated, so it needs to either be photocopied or taken out of the book to use. Then the book begins with 4 prints, and the rest of the book is perforated. These are suitable for framing. And then the coloring pages. The paper is excellent quality. It is thick and has some tooth to it. It would be good for watercolors if you can do color by numbers with watercolors. Great for markers. And the back of each page is pastel, which gives an attractive look if you use alcohol markers and it bleeds for the bleed through. We'll continue with the flip.